In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a status in ClickUp. ClickUp is a powerful productivity platform that helps teams and individuals organize their work in one place. Whether you're managing projects, tracking tasks, or collaborating with your team, setting a status is a great way to let others know your current availability or what you're focusing on. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to set your status in ClickUp so you can keep your team informed and stay on top of your work. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to www.clickup.com. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you'll need one to follow along. You can sign up using the link in the description below. Once you're on the website, sign into your account. You can do this by entering your email address and password, or by using one of the supported social sign-in options like Google or Microsoft. If your account has two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to complete any prompts to verify your identity. This step ensures your account stays secure. After signing in, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. This is where you'll find your profile area. It might appear as your profile photo, your initials, or your display name, depending on how you've set up your account. Go ahead and click on it. When you click on your profile area, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option that says Set Status. This will open a panel where you can customize your status. Now, in the status panel, you have two choices. You can either type a custom note in the provided text field, or select one of the preset statuses. If you choose to write a custom note, keep it short and clear, like in a meeting or out for lunch. This helps your team quickly understand your availability. If you'd rather use a preset status, simply browse through the available options and select the one that best matches your current situation. Once you've decided on your status, whether it's a custom note or a preset, make sure to click the Save button. This will activate your status and make it visible to your team members. And that's it. You've successfully set your status in ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.